Thank you for taking the time and attending our presentation. Hopefully in the next 15 minutes, I will be able to at least convince you to take a look at our CDMO and consider BioCentriq as your partner in developing and producing your clinical material for your clinical trials. So with that, of course, our objective is to partner with the cell therapy companies who are developing therapeutics and help them to take their product through the clinic and eventually to the patients. And how we do that by, of course, providing the infrastructure for the process development, manufacturing, innovative technologies that we actually implemented at BioCentriq and successfully. So it's a very important matter for us because at the end of the day, we all work to make sure that patients, they will get the therapies that we're working on. So BioCentriq can be a perfect partner for you if you're working on a life-changing therapies. And I'm so happy that actually I'm the founder of this enterprise, and you'll see that our accomplishments in the last 3 or 4 years. We have had a very, very successful and interesting journey in the last 3 or 4 years. Started the company with receiving a seed funding from a university, very small amount. We were also fortunate through our connections with the industry. We received in-kind donations from the companies like Cytiva and others, Paul Biotech now. In a very short period of time, we were able to convince companies to come and start working with us. Companies that they wanted us to help them in process development and eventually in the clinical production. 2022, in a short period of time, the company was acquired by Green Cross, a South Korean successful life sciences company, multi-billion-dollar company, and we sold that to them. Now they're the major shareholders. And more importantly, CDMO at a very small size that we are, we've been able to manufacture clinical grade material for our clients. And as we speak today, they have one company, they have dosed 11 patients in ovarian cancer. So it's a great, great accomplishment for a startup at a short period of time. And being acquired by a major life sciences company. So proud of our team and accomplishment of the individuals that helped me to achieve these goals. So we have a very strong team of executives. Collectively, we have 130 plus years of experience working in the biotech. Most of us, we are founders, biotechnology companies. Most of us, we have worked in CDMOs, so we understand the requirements of helping companies like yourself and what are the needs that you have. So a stronger team of people, some of them are here. I encourage you to also attend our booth and ask questions and learn more about BioCentriq. What is BioCentriq? Of course, we are a global cell therapy CDMO. When I say global, we have capabilities in New Jersey, in the United States, as well as Asia, through our GC collaboration. They have capabilities in Asia that they can support all the APAC area, and us in the US that we can help the North American market. We also our capabilities in US, there are 2 sites that we have. One is in Newark, New Jersey, and the other is in South Brunswick. And we also have a very, actually state-of-the-art pilot plant with all the equipments that you can imagine that we can help companies to come and develop their product, do the tech transfer, run their pilot runs and engineering runs, and get them ready to clinical production. One of the things that it's very important from day one when I started, I always believed that in order for us to help you guys, we need to partner up with the technology developers. because they will bring all these innovations and help you guys to be successful. Time and money is very important to you guys, so we have to be innovative, we have to be creative, and that's why we teamed up with many companies. We just announced our collaboration with Trumo to work on the quantum system and the cell expansion system. We have also collaboration with Cytiva and other companies, so it's very important. One other thing is also is the proven track record, meaning that we are able, and we have, produced clinical grade material that's being dosed in patients. Not many CDMOs at our size, they have been successful doing that. So it's a very major accomplishment. So I believe that it's, BioCentriq is a good place for you guys to come in and develop your product. Oh, sorry. As I mentioned, our facilities in South Brunswick and Newark, clean rooms that we have, as well as our cell center in Seoul, the Green Cross, which they have state-of-the-art clean rooms that we can actually accommodate companies in Asia. So we're actually, as I said, we're a global company. You can serve Asia and North America. So, as I said, everybody in their presentations, they will say they have the best quality system, they have the best manufacturing team. What really differentiates BioCentriq is that we believe that we understand what you're looking for, and I think we address that by, for example, making sure that we pay attention to you. The common concern that when I talk to the startups is that when they go to the CDMOs, they don't get the attention and dedication that they're looking for. We actually change that narrative now, and we help you guys, we pay attention to you guys, we're committed to help you guys because we've been the other side and we know exactly what the challenges that you're facing. So our capabilities, of course, as I said, we have done this. We know how to produce material that you can use your clinical trials, cell banking, the recent technology that we are actually implementing and helping you guys to reduce the cost and reduce the time to get to the clinic. And of course, the experience in different cell lines that we have expertise. So we have SMEs that they have worked in a variety of cell lines. And if you are working on the NK cells, you're working on iPSCs, MSCs, and CAR-T, you come to us. We have the expertise in-house, and we can help you to do that, develop your product. Of course, the product cycle, and we have all the services from the process development, and you come to us, we can help you to develop your process. We can help you to get ready for the GMP and production, CMC support. If you want to do filing with FDA for your IND, we'll be happy to help you on that. We have all the people and expertise. We've done that. We've been there, done that. And of course, GMP manufacturing. We have a very strong quality system that can support your phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 clinical production. One of the things that we also announced, which would differentiate BioCentriq from the other CDMOs, this is LEAP technology platform. To just summarize it for you, it's kind of an off-the-shelf system that we prepare. For example, if you're working on a cell line, NK cells, right? So we already have the process worked out at BioCentriq. We have developed all the SOPs, batch records. We have trained all the operators. Everything is ready. So you come to us and you say, I have this NK cell. Can you help me to get to the clinic? We can always, tell you that, we have all the batch records ready, and we can just reduce the time to go to clinical production by 50%. And we're developing this platform for other cell lines, and I think this is kind of a unique way of helping you to reduce your cost and reduce the time for you to go to clinic. Every time that I meet a startup company, they always say, oh, I am ready to go to clinic, and please start my clinical production and because I don't have time and I have limited amount of money. We always sit down with them and I say, listen, your process is not ready. And I tell you because of these reasons. And our MSAT team, we have a very strong MSAT team, and actually help the companies to put together a timeline plan to make sure that they can fulfill all the requirements, regulatory requirements, and having to have a successful clinical production. So our MSAT team is ready. If you have any process development projects, if you want to improve your process, if you want to use the LEAP technology platform, come to us and reach out to our MSAT team who are located at the South Brunswick facility, and will help you to get to the clinical production and hopefully commercialization. Of course, this is not moving. Okay. The quality is the foundation of every CDMO, right? And everybody says, you know, that I have the best quality system. And to me, as the founder and CEO of BioCentriq, quality plays a very important role because at the end of the day, we are producing material that will be infused into patients and human beings. So we have a very strong team of the quality people and the quality control. All the analytical testing and everything is being done at BioCentriq, and the quality assurance group, that they make sure that they work very closely with the manufacturing team and review the batch records and making sure that they all comply with the GMP regulations and FDA requirements. So again, please take some time and study, go to our website, biocentriq.com, and learn about our quality team and what we are doing at BioCentriq, and will help you guys to be successful. So, in summary, and I have 2 minutes, I hope that I at least convince you to take a look at BioCentriq as your partner in process development and manufacturing of your therapies. And as I said, we have the track record. It's very important because you have to have the peace of mind when you go to a CDMO and make sure that that the company has done this before. Any startup, I always encourage them that when you want to choose a CDMO, you ask the top 4 questions, 5 questions. Number 1, can they do it in a timely manner for me? Can they do it in a costly manner? I have limited amount of resources. Have they done this before, right? Are they going to pay attention to me? Are they going to put the top resources on my project? And I think those are the questions that we successfully have answered for our clients. And that's why I encourage you to consider BioCentriq as your CDMO partner in your product development. Thank you so much for your attendance. Any questions you have? We have 1 minute and 38 seconds. Come on, one question, please. No questions? Thank you.